up, guys? Today we're gonna be reacting to Puppet Hour Time. So my brother already knows this song. So what are we gonna be reacting to? We forgot him and Huggy Wuggy, Gray Huggy Wuggy.
What's up?
Which he's new to the channel. He's gonna be through March, April, and other months because he's been left out. So yeah,
We're going to start.
Yeah. Now, you know this song? No. Yes, you do. I heard you. Okay, let's just react. This is Grace Huggy Wuggy's favorite song.
That Mommy Lolix in it.
And Poppy and Huggy Wuggy.
And Mommy Lolix.
This is by Horror Skunk.
Guys, this song is really great.
This song is really good. How could Huggy Wuggy sing and talk like that? I like this song a lot. So funny.
Hey,
Poppy.
yo! I don't like his eyes.
Wait, Gray Huggy Wuggy, is that you?
Huh? Which one?
Is that you?
The guy?
No, not. Oh, Bugs Bunny! Wait, no, not him. Bugs Bunny. Wait, why does the guy look like a clown? If you want to see, he does. See? He does look like a clown.
Guys, I'm ready to.
They
don't see me.
Right here. Okay. Pop it out time. Pop it out, yeah. Pop it out time. I know you're excited, Gray Huggy Wuggy, but don't get close to the camera, okay? Pop time. Pop it out time. Pop it out time.
Why the guy looks like a clown?
Oh, they're like them strings that control Huggy Wuggy, Bugs Bunny, Mommy Lolix, and Poppy. Oh, it's getting close. Oh my god. Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, the clown.
They're messing with their mind. Sing with me. Pop it
Mommy
out
Lolix
time.
is trying to
Pop
think
it
what
out
she's doing.
time. Pop it out 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 time. Bro, that was so good. Okay, bye, Great Huggy Wuggy. Leave a like and subscribe. Click the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, bye, guys.